So I can see the problem with this one. You're used to having sigma with a little 1 here, right? Usually 1 up to n. But the sigma notation can start anywhere. All this means is take k is 4 and substitute that in first. And then take k is 5, and then k is 6, and then k is 7. So basically every integer starting from whatever you write here gets substituted into here. So let's go and have a look at that. Part A says write down the first 3 terms of the series. Now, notice the word series. Series means we're going to add together a sequence. Now, sequence is the pattern of numbers. Series is when you add the numbers together. So series you can always think of, there's going to be a sigma here. So let me just break this down. I'm going to have, first of all, k equals 4, k equals 5, and k equals 6. When you substitute those in, that's 2 times by k minus 3, and that is 5. 5 is the first term of the series. 2 times by 5 minus 3, 2 5s 10 minus 3 is 7. And 2 times by 6 minus 3, 2 6 is 12 minus 3 equals 9. And you can see, can't you, already, this is plus 2. The common difference is 2. So this is obviously an arithmetic series, B, write down the number of terms in the series. So this is a little bit naughty, isn't it? Let's just try and experiment with what we've already got. It tells you that L is a positive integer greater than 4, but we don't know where it stops. Is L 10? Is L 50? Is L 100? Well, that's the point of part B. The answer for B must be given in terms of L. So part B, there's no answer like 7, 54. It's in terms of L. Let's do something simpler. What if we replaced that L with 6? How many terms are there? Oh, let me put my laptop back on so you can see it. So if I replaced L with 6, so you've got k equals 4 on the bottom, and you've got 6 on the top. How many terms are there in this series? We've just done it on the board. There's 3. Because it's 4, 5, 6. There's 3. So how do you get the number 3 from 6 and 4? Yeah, but how would you do it quickly? You can't just go 4, 5, 6. What if the number on the top goes up to 100? You can't go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? Yeah? Isn't it just 6 minus 4 plus 1? 6 minus 4 plus 1? That would do it, right? So 6 minus 4 gives you 2, but we know there's 3 terms. From 4 up to 6 is a difference of 2, but you need to substitute the k equals 4 as well. So that's the answer for part B. It's L minus 4 plus 1. But isn't that just L minus 3? Just see if that works. So when we take the 6 here and we subtract 3 from it, we get 3. There are 3 terms, all right? So what if I made, again, we'll test this out. What if I made this top number 10? According to our formula, 10 minus 3 is 7 terms. And now try it. K equals 4, k equals 5, k equals 6, k equals 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. All right. So B, you had to write the answer for this in terms of L and 4. Okay. So that answer is L minus 3. And part C. Given that the sum is 725, find the value of L. What do you think we're going to do for this? And solve, of course. So basically we want to solve, and we've already got it in sigma notation. Sigma, k equals 4. I've got a 2k minus 3 here. I need this to equal 725. And what I have to do for this to work is make the top letter k, because when I do n solve on the calculator, we need to have the same variable. So let's go ahead and do that. Some of you are doing that already on your calculator. That's great. So let's get this open. Let me make this side by side. Okay. Menu. Algebra. Numerical solve. I need the sigma button. I'll stick to their k. You can switch to n if you like. K equals 4 up to k here. And then this is 2k minus 3. And that has to equal 725. And that has to be comma, solve for k. And we've got k is negative 26. Can you see the problem? So n solve only gives us one answer. And it gives us the closest answer to 0. And so one answer to this is k is negative 26. We want the other answer. We want a positive answer, right? Go back up, grab it, bring it down. Tell the calculator to search from 0 up to 2,000. All right? The calculator went to negative 26 first because that's closer to 0 than the actual answer 28. So this is the extra trick you have to have, isn't it? For n solve, only one answer is revealed. And if it's not the right answer, you have to go and search for the other answer. Yep. The reason why there's two answers here is because the sum formula leads to a quadratic. If you think back to the sum formula for arithmetic, it's got n appearing twice, so it's a quadratic, two answers. So there you go. So the final solution for this one, n equals 28. Now notice I've got enough working out. This is the method, and this is the answer. You'll get full marks for that. You don't need to say, I have used n solve for this, and here are the buttons I've pressed. You just have to write down the equation you're trying to solve, and the answer. Absolutely fine.